identified as Yu, male, 30 Shengtang Judicial Appraisal Institute, with the examination conducted by inspectors Cao Qin and Jie, surname only provided. According to the findings, the deceased, identified as Yu, male, 37 years old, stood 181 centimeters tall, with normal development and average nutrition. Because of censorship concerns, we can only slightly rewrite the level of horror compared to the original sentence in the leaked version. The examination described external injuries to the chest, bilateral internal bleeding, and multiple fractures on the left side of the body. There was also trauma to the pericardium and liver region, injuries to the lower body, and evidence of sudden respiratory and cardiac arrest. Additional notes recorded scalp wounds, pale eyelids and meninges, and cloudy corneas. Blood traces were also found around both outer ears and ear canals. Taken together, these details strongly suggest that Yu's hair and ears had been violently pulled before death. The nasal bone was fractured, and blood was found accumulated inside the nasal cavity. One of the most shocking discoveries was that the inside of his lips showed multiple irregular lacerations, with the longest here measuring about 7.5 centimeters. And then came the most chilling line of all, the final sentence of the leaked report. Except for the lower right front tooth, all of Yu's teeth were missing. In other words, before his death, Yu likely endured unimaginable torture. Most of his teeth had been removed. It's no wonder that in the latest leaked video capturing part of the incident, Yu Menglong can be heard screaming. His cries are slurred as if